In this video, we will show you the latest feature on your Garmin watch for your running and cycling. Daily suggested workout feature. If you have no idea what workout you should do, now your Garmin watch can plan daily workouts for you. Your watch will provide you a workout suggestion every day, based on your past training performance. You can get the workout suggestion by the following steps. Select an activity. Today, we will use running for demonstration. In the activity, press the Start key. Your watch will automatically show your daily workout suggestion. You can also turn off this function. After you enter the activity, press the Up key on the left side for more options. Select Workouts. Select Today's Suggestion. Or after you enter the activity menu, hold the Up key on the left side. And select Training. Select Workouts. Select Today's Suggestion. Your watch will show the workout suggestion. You can press the up and down key to view more details. Press the upper right key to start. Select Do Workout. Press it again. And you will start your course. Your watch will record your training time, average pace and distance. Before your workout ends, your watch will give you an alert for notification. Press the Start key to finish the activity. Select Save. Your data can be uploaded to Garmin Connect. Now let's try the daily suggested workout.